Definitely are gonna get the hell out of here. Welcome to today's video. Let's go shoot some fireworks off of the Drift Mero.
What are you doing?
We're strapping 300 rockets to the back of the Big Country Labs wing. We've got the American flags here. We're gonna set up some more fireworks in the middle of this empty parking lot. Let me start this video with saying, please do not do anything stupid like this. We're in a secluded area that we have permission to be at. We are going to make sure that we're as safe as we possibly can be when dealing with explosives. We have enough cameras set up that you guys get to see all kinds of crazy angles. So we're gonna go ahead and get this set up. If you come a little closer, you can see this definitely passes OSHA requirements. We got the rockets taped to the back. We got the flags taped to the back, and we're gonna hope that they last and we don't have any rockets that go astray.
Ready?
All right, we're at the next location. Got a new pack in, getting ready to go. So let's get to it. That's how you celebrate freedom, baby. You're all right. You're all right. Yeah. Thanks, man. All right, so that was a little bit of a close call. Police came, realized I'm a man of freedom, and let us go. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Hope you have a great 4th of July. Be safe out there. Make sure you like this video. If you're new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe as well. Thanks for having you. See you later.